Which of the following does not describe the word stalk? A. A part of a plant. B. To pursue someone or something stealthily. C. To increase the activity or intensity of something. Or D. All of the above describe stalk. As one of our options is all of the above describe stalk, we need to carefully go through the remaining choices to see if they describe the word stalk. Stalk has several meanings and can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, stalk is the stem of a plant. As we see this reflected in choice A, a part of a plant, we can mark it off as it does describe stalk, and we're looking for what does not. As a verb, to stalk can mean to pursue someone or something. As we can see this in choice B, to pursue someone or something stealthily, we can mark it off as well. Choice C, to increase the activity or intensity of something, is actually describing a similar sounding word, stoke, as in to stoke the fire. Because choice C does not describe the word stalk, which is what our question is asking, we can mark it as our final answer.